Hey YouTube, check this out. This is a beard trimmer, or it can be to cut your hair. It's absolutely amazing. It connects and it hangs off your outlet. As you can see, take it right off. That is your outlet. Pretty cool. And to show you a little something, it could be wet or dry. By turning this knob, you will pick the size guard you want. As you can see, it is very good. It goes up to 10, goes down to 1. It's waterproof, as you can see, wet or dry. Amazing, amazing. Well, like and subscribe. Just wanted to show you this new product. Amazing, especially that, as you can see, 2, 2.5, 3, and it goes up. Very good, very good. Well, just want to show you how it works. It works pretty good. When you're done, connect it here, clicks, and the light turns on. That is charging. Amazing. Well, like and subscribe. Thanks.